Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have a Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost and fast shipping. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Not sure what this is. We're about to find out. Oh boy. I see what it is. Empty box. There we go. K1, I do believe. Anakama. I know I butchered that name right. Onaikuma. Oh, this one's nice. I think this is for the PS4, Xbox One. Product color. Model K1-B8. Oh, here's all the good stuff. Dynamic speaker. High resolution. Low noise. Protein cushion. Controller. LED working, so that's right up. Oh, here we go. Xbox One adapter needed. New Xbox One good. 360 no. PS4, that's what I'm going to be using it on. Today we'll test it out. Laptop, PC, Android, iOS. Oh, that's cool. Audio only for the Switch. Audio for the 3DS. Vita is good to go. PS4 good to go. 360 no. New Xbox One, yes. Xbox One. I think that's the first edition. You're going to need an adapter. So, dynamic sound for all games. Ooh, let's take a look. Definitely excited for this one. So like I said, YouTubers, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer you guys. If you don't like this style, you can see what other styles they have. That type of deal. We got some stuff here. Alright. We know how to set these up. These are easy to do. Just plug in and play. Whoa. Oh, these are nice. This will definitely come in handy. Once I start on the MLB The Show 2019 one, I'll be getting. Which way do they go? Whoa, these are lightweight, but really comfortable. It feels cushioned on top here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a cushion. Expands to adjust your head level. There, and it lights up LED once you plug it in. I'll show you guys that once I go in my room for the PS4. There we go. There's a mic. Microphone check. 1, 2. There's a little speaker if you guys can see it. Awesome. Sweet logo right there. But yeah, these are really comfortable. I'm gonna try them on my ear. See how they feel. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are nice. These are nice around the earlobes if you're really comfortable. Play some couple hours. Probably won't get that much air sweat coming from these. This will be a nice gaming session. And let's see what else. Here's the plugs. Plug it into the controller PS. And then USB right here. Right there's the USB. And here is the volume control. The mic. Okanama. There's the volume right there. Really nice design. I'm definitely digging these. So definitely YouTubers, check them out. I'm going to hop over to my room. Uh-oh. There we go. Ha. Okanama. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. I'll be right back and we'll see the light show and stuff like that. So I'll see you. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it all set up right now on the PS4. There it is. easy USB right there, hooked it up. That's my terabyte drive. But this is the cord for the headphones. And there's LED lights up, changes color, really cool. Got a light right there. Sorry if I blinded you. Like I said, definitely check these out. These are really comfortable. And I want to hear the sound for a sec. Let me set that up. My tripod. Oops, sorry about that. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it all set up on the PlayStation 4. Got the glow. Sounds really clear. Great for voice. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Get this at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on a link and get one of these on Nakama gaming headsets, PC, Xbox One, PS4, and a bunch of others. So definitely check them out. Like I said, easy hookup. Got it running. Right now, everything all set up. And it sounds really good. I wish you guys could hear. Kind of could. But yeah, these are really comfortable. Like I said, you don't have to worry about the ear sweat. These are really nice. Nice and comfy. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Be safe and have a good night.